how to remove apps from your PC, your Windows PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove apps in easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to the icon, the Windows icon here, the start icon, and then go to settings here, and after that you need to choose the apps option right here and click on it. And now you will have all the apps that you have in your PC. I have 105 apps found. Now if I want to uninstall an app here, I can just click on it like this and then click uninstall. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.